It's late evening here, glass of wine, but hey, I'm still working on editing quite a few good videos right now. And in this video right now, I'm gonna share with you how you can create 2 opt-in pages through which you can build your email list. You can also build your wait list of interested people, of people who are requesting more info about your membership. So I teach you how to set up a lead magnet giveaway page where we give away a PDF for any kind of valuable masterclass, and if they request that one, they need to give us their email, right, to request that one. So that builds an email list, but then on the thank you page they get that lead magnet that they requested, and down below as a step 2 we ask them if they are interested in knowing more about the private membership community that we are running, and if they click, they are automatically tagged a waitlist or interested person in our email marketing software. So that's this first page, this first funnel. But then I explain in this video the second opt-in page that I teach how to use, which is a simple request more info about our private community page. Through this page, the people who visit this page simply can request more info about our private community, and if they do so, they are automatically tagged in our email marketing software a waitlist person. So from both these scenarios, people land on this thank you page and are tagged a waitlist person, and if they go through the funnel, right, through the opt-in page, then we start sending to them an automated email sequence that sells them the membership. This is gonna make more sense to you right now after you watch this video. But one more thing that I need to add right now here is how you're gonna actually get traffic, right, to these 2 opt-in pages. The first way is through YouTube videos, for example, that can ongoingly drive traffic to any of these 2 pages. You will simply say in your YouTube videos, first of all, you're gonna teach some stuff in your YouTube videos, and then you're gonna say, hey, and if you would want to get more info about our private community, find the link down in the description and click and request more info, right? So that's where we send them to the request more info about our private community page. But then also you could say in some of your YouTube videos, hey, I created this lead magnet, this video masterclass, or this PDF that teaches you this and that, right? Find it down below in the description box and you can download it, right? So they're gonna get to that first opt-in page that I told you before about, and then the magic is gonna happen from there as well. Another way is, for example, that was YouTube, but you could do this same thing from Instagram. On Instagram you could create like reels or stories, and you could tell people, hey, comment down below or reply to my story, for example, the word, let's say breathwork, if I'm a breathwork coach, and if people do so, then we will DM them either manually or automatically. You can set up an automation as well via ManyChat or Go High Level app that I'm using, right? And it's gonna DM them with the link to any of these opt-in pages, whichever they requested, right? And that's gonna build an email list from Instagram, from stories or reels or posts, right? People should comment to request more info, and that builds our email list as well. Now, the third way is, for example, manually, right? If in your network you have certain people who you think that would benefit more from that would benefit from your private community, from your membership, right? You could DM those or email those privately, those people, right? And say to them, hey, would you want to know more about the private community that I just opened? And if they say yes, tell me more about it, right? Then we send them this page where they can give us their email to request more info, or we manually ask them, hey, give me your email and then I'm gonna send you more info, right? And we manually add them to our email marketing software, right? I use Go High Level software to manage all of these automations. So even in this video you're gonna see me using a High Level app, and if you would want me to give you a snapshot of all of these templates and automations, just comment down below snapshot or DM me and ask about it, and I'm gonna give it to you, and I'm gonna explain you how you can use this same model for your membership growth and automations and all of these kind of things. Also check around my other YouTube videos and study how I approach launching a membership and growing it all very automatically. Enjoy this session now. first I will go to sites, because now you have received a main funnel. Both of you should have that. A main
I have that.
Yeah. This is the main funnel that we all gonna be using. Now, the Masterclass opt-in is for you can rename Masterclass. That's a giving away a lead magnet, okay?
Yep.
We will not work on this right now yet, too much. I mean, but yeah, if you already have a lead magnet, you can work on this, you can, but that's a secondary step. That's for ongoing growth. Right now, we need to work on this list opt-in. That's a waitlist opt-in.
Yep.
This page, later on as a homework, both of you, I want you to make it yours, all right? It's going to be a public page. It's going to say, hey, request more info about our support community. Give me your email. You're going to see why we need this. Because from YouTube, from Instagram, YouTube directly people go to this page and they can opt in ongoingly forever, like, right? So that's why it's not just like a one-time waitlist. This is like an ongoing list that's going to stay here. It's going to always keep building our interest list. But on Instagram or Facebook or any other places, we're going to create content or whatever, and we're going to get people to comment certain word, and then we DM them with this page so they gave us their email. Or we can manually ask them for their email and we can manually put them into this page. Otherwise, or we manually create them as a new contact in our Go High Level in the contacts. There are so many ways, but I'm just saying to you, this is our waitlist builder page. And I need you to both, and you're going to see later how we need this. Change this, make it yours. Request to get more info about our support community. You know, you call it soccer parents support community or whatever, right?
Yeah. This will be the same page, like if there's a lead magnet and then people click on the next step, it will different page.
That one will bypass this page. I'll show you what I mean. I'll show you how that works.
Okay.
Let me say first.
They're all in parts right now. The opt-in page, the thank you. Is that right?
Yeah, this is the opt-in page. You know, after they submit it, they land on a thank you page. That's the next one in the line here. All right. Okay. The thank you page is fairly simple. It doesn't do too much. You could do more techniques here. I saw some people give another video to watch as well. Meanwhile, you know, but for now, keep it simple. It just says thank you. We're gonna get more info to you via email soon.
Yeah.
Now that's one thing that's done. What I also did is under automation, I already created an automation, and that's gonna also answer that second question of yours, Ari. Let's say waitlist thank you page. I created a trigger. If someone visits the thank you page, right? You know that mini thank you page that I showed you. If someone visits that one, we need to of course select which one that is because we brought it through again. This is called not this opt-in. It's called thank you page. All right. What it says is if someone visits that thank you page, now tag them waitlist, right?
But how are they going to visit the thank you page if the thank you page is after they...
Yeah, because they will. If they give the email in, they're redirected to the thank you page.
I got it. Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, I will explain you why I did it this way. I could do it the other way. I could say also here, if someone opted into that forum, but I didn't want to do it that way because I'll show you why. Because that is another technique which you asked me about before. Anyway, so I'll show you that. But add a tag. Send a welcome email, right? You're gonna I'll need to keep this open because you need to adjust this as well, Ari.
Yeah.
Don't worry about action name is already here. You need to call it from name, put your name, put your email. Make sure to use the right professional email because otherwise it's gonna go to spam and stuff like that. Subject, you change it to your liking. Message, here you have a template, but make it yours. Hey, you're officially on the wait list or whatever, right? Get ready, blah, blah. I mean, that's my whatever template. Make it yours. As soon as the doors will open or as soon as I have more info, you'll get back to you. All right? So, because we need to tell them, like, we're going to email them later and we're going to then sell to them with those next emails, for example, right? Soon. Now, look under sites here. You asked me about the lead magnet giveaways, right? That's this page. That's where we're going to get the email and we're going to give them a lead magnet. Some kind of like 10-minute video or a PDF or whatever from YouTube. They're going to come opt in. Now, these people will land on this thank you page first. I'll show you this. On this thank you page. So that's how this thank you page looks like. Hey, thank you for opting in. Here is your video lead magnet, or here is your PDF. You can put a button here. But my point is, you asked me about that. Step 2. Hey, if you are also interested in knowing more about my community, click here.
Okay.
What I did was, if they click here, they are redirected to this thank you page.
Okay, so they skip that because they already have the email.
We have the email.
Right. Okay, makes sense.
And because we have the email, we don't need to take it again.
Yeah.
That's a faster way to collect. You see, we didn't promote our community first. We gave them a lead magnet.
Right.
But if someone's going to be interested in this, because that's what's important for us as well, because that told us that they are interested. And if they told us that they're interested, hey, guess what we can do? We can get them with more info now, right? About the membership community or so. So anyway, you're going to also need to adjust those texts, but this is an advanced step, this funnel. You don't need to work on this one yet. We just need the first one first. Guess what happens? They click, and I created an automation there. As I showed you before, it tags them waitlist as well, right?
Okay. Yep.
So that's already a few things are pre-done.
And when they click on the Masterclass opt-in, they're tagged Masterclass?
They are.
Yeah, okay.
But you're going to need to go into automations, and we're going to always need to double check the first time if it works.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, let me see what I did here. It goes to the Interst thank you page. That's really good. So that's no need for changes, all right?
Yep.
They click, they get exactly there where we want them to go to. They will be like, thank you, but they're going to be automatically tagged waitlist because that's how I set up the automation, all right?